plastic. That's my brother. We have walkie-talkies, and that's how we communicate. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you could tell by the title, is going to be all about r.e.m beauty. Now, I never ever had the intentions to ever purchase from r.e.m beauty, just because I don't know, I never really heard great things about it, and then the marketing I feel like wasn't so big when it first came out. So I actually found out that Ariana Grande had dropped her own makeup line kind of a month or two after. Love Ariana Grande's music, but never kept up with her enough to know that she just dropped a beauty brand until r.e.m beauty entered Ulta. This is how it even got into my hands recently, because once I found out r.e.m beauty was launching in Ulta, I was like, oh, okay, that's cool. That's pretty big, the fact that it's even entering Ulta. And then I walked into Ulta when it dropped, and literally the shelves were almost empty. I was like, what the heck? I was like, is this an amazing brand? Is it really worth the hype? Or is it just because, you know, it's now convenient, so people are just grabbing it more often now? But it was literally in 2 days, and I was like, what the heck? Where I fell into let me go try it, let me see how good it really is. So this is how we're here. And mind you, everything I got was basically everything that I steered towards, but also what was left. I'm telling you, the shelves were almost near empty. I couldn't believe it. I have no idea what the hype is about, so I'm gonna try it out today. I did see that she has a few highlighter toppers that have some really nice fun colors. There's a nice green, a yellow, not a gold, a yellow. There's a nice lavender, and those are colors that I steer towards, definitely a part of my personality, but not as wearable as what I got today. So I figured I would jump into the wearable items that I feel I would wear day to day, see if I like it, and if I do, I'll go back and get those. So let's see if this is worth the hype. I've been drinking pressed juice again. I usually make my own, but I found a place that has some pressed juice, and I really like theirs. This is the third one I bought. And if you follow me on Instagram, you guys know all about my pressed juice journey. If you don't follow me on Instagram and you want to keep up with me, I'm very active on there, just because it's a lot easier for me. When I do pressed juice daily, I've noticed really fast results in the gym for my fitness journey, so I'm on that wave again. Okay, so first things first, I already prepped my skin just with my skincare. I already have that natural glow. I love it. I've worked so freaking hard for clear skin. I've dealt with cystic acne for the past, I don't even know, 5 years, and you would never know. You'd never know. I will share that skincare routine with you guys if you guys want. A lot of you have been asking me on Instagram, so I just don't know where I want to post it. I don't know if I want to post it on Instagram or if I want to post it on YouTube. You let me know. Let me know what you would want. What's easier for you guys. So as far as the packaging, to me, I personally feel it's pretty basic. I'm not keeping this box. It's just a matte gray. They did a cute little incorporation of the ingredients, as you would with space food. It says products, and then all the way on the other side it'll be midnight shadows, which is the name of the shadow. And then on the other side, it has a little play on the colors with constellations, which I thought was cute too. This is her baby doll palette. This is from chapter 1. This I feel is the most wearable for someone like me, but what I really love about this is it comes with a mirror, which is really nice, but also the size. I love the fact that for 6 colors, it's a really nice compact size that's super easy to travel with. When I see the size of the actual palette, I think of vacation. This is super easy to put in my travel case when I travel. As far as the packaging, it's pretty much plastic, but what I like is that it's magnetic. So that I really like. There's no way for it to open unless with a little bit of force. I really hope this palette works out because she has another palette that has like a beautiful mint color. So if I like this, I want to go back and get this. The next product I got, I feel like this is a product that everyone goes crazy for. This is her highlighter topper in the shade Miss Mars. This one I was super excited for because if you guys watched my no makeup tutorial, there was a highlighter from Wet n Wild that was like $3. That was my go-to highlight. It was so perfect for my skin tone, like right now in the winter, and then when I catch a little bit of a tan. If you guys didn't watch that video and you guys want to check it out, I'll put it down below. But this is the closest I feel like I can get to that color, so I'm excited for this. This is also magnetic, which is nice. Like I said, the packaging kind of feels cheap. I get it, it's like Galaxy and stuff, but like mine kind of came with like scratches already. I don't know if you guys can tell in the close-up. I don't care, but like the fact that I just bought this and right out the box it's scratchy, I'm like, packaging's a little The next item I got, I'm also very excited for. This is her cheek and lip stick. This is in the shade Leading Lady. Her branding is about following your dreams and, you know, like REM sleep. That's why the Galaxy thing like kind of throws me off. But in a way, I also think about it like, you know, your dream should be out of this world. So I guess that's how the Galaxy thing makes sense to me. I don't know. But the fact that this is called Leading Lady, and you guys know like one of my dreams is to become an actress, and that's what I do on my, you know, my other time that I'm not on YouTube. So I really appreciated that, and I just like went towards the color. So the fact that the color was Leading Lady, I just thought that was really cute. But this is a beautiful deep red. I want to say it says red on the online, but I want to say like it's like a burnt orange. Super pretty. I don't know how this is gonna look on my lips, but very excited for my cheeks. I'm gonna try to apply it with a brush actually, because usually when I apply something like this straight to the cheek, it doesn't work out so well for me. The next item I got, I'm actually very excited for too. This is probably my favorite packaging out of all the products that I've seen so far, and obviously the ones that I got, but this looks like a little baby astronaut. It's so freaking cute. This is in the shade Drive-In Movie, which is like a dusty rose. This is like my go-to lip color right now, and like almost every single like product that I can get, whether it's a lip gloss, a lipstick, a lip stain, a lip crayon, I'm always going for like a nice dusty rose, like a mauve. This looks super pretty in person. I love how they had the embroidery of the brand r.e.m on the actual lipstick. I just thought that was so freaking cute. And the way it looks is kind of like the moon. I don't know, like it's little details like this. I truly feel like this is the best packaging that they have done thus far. The texture of the lipstick looks like gritty a little bit, but it looks like it's super buttery and smooth, but like the indents of the actual lipstick looks a little gritty, which is so cute, like kind of like the moon. And this smells so freaking good, and this is also magnetic. So I'm gonna go in with this nice like peachy color right here as a transition shade. Oh, there's kind of a little bit of fallout. Whoa, I don't really care so much about that, the fallout, you know, as long as the pigment is there, I don't care about the fallout. This is simply a transition shade, and already the pigment is there and it's very buildable, so I really like that so far. I'm gonna go in with an angled brush and then go in with this color right here. It's like a nice like reddish brown. I don't like that brush. I don't like that brush. I don't like that brush. Okay, so my intentions were not to do a cut crease, but like this is kind of how it came out, and I feel like I just bodied this. I don't think I've ever successfully done a cut crease before. So far so good. The shadows are impressing me right now. What I like is that, you know, it's buildable and it's blendable. I don't see it really patchy. I don't see it like sticking to just one part of my eye or wherever I place it. So that's very important for me, especially someone like me that I consider is a beginner. I need shadows to work with me here and like help me get through the eye process. So the next color I think I'm gonna go in with is this shimmer shade right here. It's kind of like a rose gold. I think I'm gonna put this all over my lid with my finger first and then see how it applies with a brush. Dipping my finger in it, pretty creamy. Wow, oh my god, it's so pretty. Okay, so off camera I went in with my Better Than Sex Too Faced eyeliner. Honestly, this is a really nice eyeliner. I didn't get Ariana Grande's eyeliner just because I honestly don't wear it often, so I feel like it would be a waste for me to get. But I messed up because this was supposed to be brown and it's actually deep as black, so threw me off here. But I'm gonna do the rest of my face because the rest of it is honestly face products, and finish the other eye off camera, and then we will continue. I am back with the finished eye look. Before I showed you guys that I was putting on black eyeliner, and honestly that just did not do it for me. That was not what I was going for. Personally for me lately with eyeshadow looks, I don't like to use a liquid eyeliner, not even pencil, gel, nothing. I like to use eyeshadow as my eyeliner. So I took it all off, I redid the whole thing. I didn't do the cut crease, that wasn't what I wanted. So I fixed it. But I did kind of like a brown smoky eye, and I used the last this like really far shade over here, the darkest color in the palette, as the eyeliner. I did use this rose gold shimmer shade as the lid color. I still kept it that way, and honestly I must say that I'm pretty disappointed with the pigment of the actual shimmer shades. I tried both, I just feel like it's just lacking in color. I feel like it's very dusty. I don't know, to me it just doesn't do it for me. But I did do the rest of my face, so the one thing that I'm really excited for is this cheek and lip stick. This is in, again, the color Leading Lady. This is not magnetic, by the way. This I'm afraid to just start putting on my cheek. So what I'm gonna do is put some on the back of my hand. Ooh, very creamy. Not a fan of the smell, but very creamy when I just put that on there. And I'm just gonna take a buffing brush and pick up some pigment. Oh wow, this picked up pigment real quick. And then just kind of buff that into my skin. All right, so it's applying very easily right now and very sheer. I even see a little bit of a glow, which is nice coming through, so that's really nice. It's a little bit salmon, so that's pretty. That's very pretty. Very, very pretty. And look how much pigment I still have on the back of my hand. So a little bit goes a long way. Wow, 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 wow. I'm scared. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put some on the brush and see what I like better. I think it's almost remotely the same, but very pigmented. Oh my gosh, wow. Very, very, very pigmented. A little bit goes a long way. Wow, that is very pigmented. Do you guys see that? And like the glow, like I have no highlight on right now. This is beautiful. I'm very excited to see what this is gonna look like without makeup on, because this is a beautiful color. And I feel like even with a tan, like right now I'm very fair skinned, but like with a tan, I feel like it's just gonna look so natural, like a nice like pop of color, you know? And very easy to remove. I literally just took a wet paper towel and just removed the excess on my hands. The next item I'm gonna go in with is the r.e.m Beauty Miss Mars highlight. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. Okay, there's no excess. I love that. I love that. It's literally right on the brush. Wow, yes, 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 yes. This is a nice bronzy, golden, natural. Oh my god, do you guys see that? Wow, 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 wow. I see, I understand the hype. Oh my goodness, this just blended seamlessly. And mind you, a little bit goes a long way, but with this actual blush that I use, oh my god, that was perfect. And like the eye look, I think it's perfect. This I'm very excited to use with no makeup on, because like I said, if you watch my no makeup tutorial, you'll understand this is going to be the perfect replacement for that Wet n Wild bronzer. It's like a shimmer bronzer. This is gorgeous, It's bronzy, it's glowy, it's very seamless, it blends in perfectly. Honestly, with this with this blush that I picked, it's like a perfect match. Do you see that? Oh my god, this is gorgeous. Now I understand. Wow. I love this. I love this. I wonder, you know what? I wonder if I can put some of this on top of the lid color to see if it's going to give me that effect that I was looking for, which is like that shimmer. That nice pop of shimmer. Let's see. Yep, this is a lot more, I don't want to say metallic. Yeah, see, just that little bit in the eyes. Yep, that's what I was looking for. This is what I was looking for. It's like that glow. It's like glistening. Oh my god, this is beautiful. This just completed my eye look. That's what I was looking for. That's what I was missing. I'm impressed. I'm very, very impressed. This, I'm definitely going back and getting other colors. Like I said, she has a lavender, she has a green, she has a nice, beautiful sunny yellow. The way this just performed as a highlight is beautiful, but even as an eyeshadow, you could do so many things with. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. The last product is the r.e.m Beauty lipstick. This is in the color Drive-In Movie. Wow, I love the way this smells. This is a dusty rose. I'm hoping this, you know, meets all my expectations because this is like the perfect dusty rose. So let's see. This is my new go-to lipstick. The application was seamless, very, very creamy. This color is exactly what I wanted. Absolutely perfect. This is my go-to lip color currently. I like lip colors because I'm not really wearing a lot of makeup. So I like lip colors that match closely to my natural lip color, but yet give it a little bit more oomph. This is considered a matte lipstick. It is matte, but not drying. And that to me is really important. I don't like my lips feeling chapped. I don't like my lips feeling dry or cracky. Like, this is a matte lipstick, but it's a little bit moussey, a little bit velvety. It feels like suede on the lips. Anyways, that brings us to the end of the video. I really, really hope this r.e.m Beauty review was helpful. If you guys have tried out r.e.m Beauty and there's like a holy grail product in this brand that you guys love, please let me know down in the comments below because I would love to check it out. Some of these products really did take me by surprise. I would actually repurchase a lot of these and I only bought 4. I didn't try out her whole line. I probably won't try out her skincare just because I already have my own skincare routine that I swear by, so I won't be changing that anytime soon. But yeah, that's it on my end. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video, which will be an Ulta haul. I did use some new face products that I got from Ulta along with, you know, like the r.e.m Beauty. So my next video will be an Ulta haul, so stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day or the rest of your night, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.